Okay, I've put this drawing up on the board trying to simplify the idea of what happens when I combine series and parallel resistors. So I have a series resistor of 30 ohms, a parallel network here that is a 60 and a 60 ohm resistor. As far as what is happening from the power supply's viewpoint, if you will, it sees R2 and R3 parallel with each other in series with R1. Once we have these two series values, we can get R total, which that's all that the power supply sees is a single value of resistance, no matter how many or what manner we put these resistors in. The power supply sees one resistance. So if I had these two into one single value, because they are equal, right? Special case, equal resistors. In parallel, I can take and just divide the value of how divided by how many I have. So 60 divided by 2 is 30. The equivalent resistance of these two resistors is 30 ohms. We already knew that R1 was 30 ohms. So when I have series resistors, I just add them together. In this case, R total is 60 ohms. So now I know R total is 60 ohms. I know that I equals E divided by R. So I have 2 amps flowing in this problem. So my 2 amps leaves the power supply, gets to this node, and it's going to divide. Part's going to go this way, part's going to go that way, come through these resistors, come back together, and continue to R1. That R1 is going to see the total current of 2 amps, right? It came apart, came back together, 2 amps here. So now I have two factors of Ohm's law. I know that E equals I times R. So I have 60 volts being dropped at that resistor. And I know that the sum of the voltage drops must equal the applied voltage. So if I have 60 volts here, I must have 60 volts here. When I spread them back into a parallel, what do I know about voltage in a parallel? That voltage is the same in the parallel. So this will see 60 volts, this will see 60 volts. I now have two factors of Ohm's law. I can calculate how much current came into each leg. So I equals E divided by R. 1 amp came this way, and 1 amp went this way. Now I could have easily said, well, I know that they're equal. So if they are equal and I have 2 amps, they're going to split equally. But I wanted you to see it mathematically, okay?